For today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to read and write the number 10. So our I can statement is, I can read and write the number 10. Jackson sees 10 fish in the water. How can he show how many fish he sees? So it says to draw one way on his boat, and I'm going to do two different ways that we have been talking about so far this year. So I'm going to show one way using the 10 frame and my counters. So remember, as he said, we had 10 fish. So we're going to count just to make sure. And when we count, we want to make sure we cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he is right. There are 10 fish in the water. So let's use our 10 frame to show 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another way to show the number 10 is actually writing the number, which has a 1 and a 0. Now we already learned how to make both of those numbers. So for 10, we just put them together. So now we have 10. So Jackson has 10 boats out here in the water. He has shown another way to make 10 by using his counters and placing them on his 10 frame and writing the number 10. Now remember, when we are writing the number 10, you start at the very top blue line and you bring your line all the way down to the bottom red line for number 1. And then your number 0, you're going to start at the very top and make a skinny letter O. And make sure you go all the way to the top to all the way to the bottom, and then you don't stop till you bring it all the way back. So for our guided practice, we're going to count the objects and write the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 boats. I'm going to start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom red line, start at the top, bring my skinny O. Now, it's important for these two numbers to be kind of close to each other, so that way we see that it's not 1 and 0. We see it is 10. Now, don't forget to cross out the objects as you count them so you do not miscount or accidentally forget to count any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start at the top, go all the way down to the red line. Start top, all the way down to the red line. Bring it back around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I don't have 10 here, so I need to make sure I write the correct number. Now remember, the number 8 looks like the letter S, but instead of stopping, I'm going to go ahead and come right back around. All right, so for your job today, you are going to complete the page on 172. You are going to count the objects and put the correct number. Now on 9, it gets a little tricky because the seahorses are scattered around. So it's very important as you count them that you cross them out.